In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're just getting started with Google Sites and want to enhance your site with meaningful captions, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Open up your browser and head over to sites.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of sites you may have access to. Simply click on the site where you want to add your captions. After you've opened your desired site, look towards the right side of the screen and click on Insert. This will present you with several options for enhancing your page. As we're focused on adding captions along with images, the next step is crucial. Click on Image from the list of options that pop up. Google Sites allows you to add images either by uploading them directly or selecting them from your Google Drive. Choose the image you'd like to work with by either uploading a new file or navigating through your Google Drive to find the one that fits your content best. Once you've selected your image, you'll need to click on Insert again. By performing this action, your chosen image will appear on your page, ready for captioning. Now you'll need to add the text for your caption. Click on Text Box from the menu. This will allow you to create a text block on your page. Simply drag this text box to position it over your image where you think it best fits. Once your text box is in place, it's time to type out your caption. This is where you get to be creative and provide additional context or information for your image. Make sure your caption is clear, concise, and complements the image content. After typing in your caption, you might notice that you need to adjust the size of the text box to better fit your image. Simply click on the edges of the text box and drag them to resize it until everything looks perfect. Finally, with everything in place, it's important to not forget one last key step: publish your site. Navigate to the top right part of your screen and click Publish. This will ensure all your changes are saved and viewable by your audience. And there you have it. Your site now has well-positioned captions enhancing your images, providing valuable context to your visitors. Adding captions is a simple yet effective way to enrich your Google site, making it more engaging and informative. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other easy-to-follow Google Sites tips and tricks. Happy editing!